Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to improve Instagram story quality. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your Instagram application on your Android and iOS, and then you will basically go into your profile, your Instagram profile, and then tap on the three lines at the top right here, and then go to settings and privacy, and then you need to basically scroll down until you see this option here. It is says data usage and media quality. So click on this one, and now here are the few things that you need to do. Make sure that the data saver option is not turned on like this. Okay, you need to turn it off, and upload at highest quality is turned on like this one. Always upload the highest quality with photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we will automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. So you have to turn this option on. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.